My wife told me I've grown as a person. Well, her actual words were, "You've got fat," but I know what she meant. Awful, I know, don't forget, comment your dad jokes down below. Right, so hello again everybody and welcome back. A quick video today, but it's just around your Amazon streaming devices. And most of us who own, such as Firesticks, like to install APKs. But it looks like there's an actual way for Amazon to block them completely. And is this something we can expect to see in the future? Right, so let's take a look now. So that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's crack on. Right, so if I quickly jump over to the AFTV News website, you can see it says tablets, but it's the blocking capabilities that make it a bit concerning. As we can see, Amazon Fire tablets mistakenly block side-loading apps. Now, whether it's a mistake or not, or they're just testing the waters to see what kind of reaction they get, I don't know. But it does say it's a mistake. Now, it's a very short post, but if we take a quick look, some Amazon Fire tablets are blocking the installation of side-loaded apps, as reported in Amazon's device forum and other places. When users try to install apps that aren't from the official Amazon App Store, a message stating unauthorized APK installation detected is shown and the installation is blocked. This issue has occurred in the past and is very likely a mistake that will be corrected soon. This issue occurred on Fire TV devices several years ago when an app is being side-loaded, the installation fails and the following message appears. And then it gives you this message here, as you can see, unauthorized APK installation detected. Now granted, this is a performance benchmark APK, but it's still saying it can detect unauthorized APK installations, which doesn't look like good news, does it? Then it goes on to say this message is caused by an internal tool used by Amazon to prevent beta testers of unreleased devices from side-loading apps that may leak information about the device. Now, you can kind of understand that if you have got beta testers of a new streaming device and you don't want any of the information to get leaked, they're not going to want people to install this sort of stuff. As we see here, benchmarking apps specifically will often upload hardware information about the device being tested to public databases. The existence of unreleased Amazon devices in the past have been leaked through these benchmarking utilities. As a result, Amazon blocks side-loading of all but select apps on unreleased devices that are being tested internally. And then it does go on to say that it's unintentional and it'll more than likely get fixed in a future update. But let me know in the comments section down below your thoughts and opinions on this. It's just a post I found quite interesting and obviously thought I'd update you on it as well. Do you think it is a mistake, or do you think they're testing the waters? Do you think it's something they're looking to implement in the future? Do you think we might see this kind of thing on other streaming devices as well? Are you somebody that's had this issue? Has it been fixed yet? Obviously, as most of us know, if Amazon do this, they're going to lose a huge customer base because everybody's going to turn to a different streaming device. Let me know all that in the comments section down below. I look forward to seeing you. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da!